So many class packages and so little time. Which package is the right one for you? Hi, I'm Mr. Trainer Renee McLaughlin, and that's the biggest question that I get. Of all the questions about T-Tapp is, oh my gosh, so many options, where do I start? Well, in this video, I'd like to clarify that for you. So it really depends on what it is you're looking for and where you are in the T-Tapp journey. Now, you all know I absolutely love T-Tapp. I've been teaching it for 20 years. And it really is a matter of doing the workout, learning the different moves, and then once you have a sense of what the moves are, beginning to fine-tune your form. You're going to get results all the way around. When you first start, even if you don't really get what's going on, just doing these very specific moves will help you get inch loss and tighten and tone. But the longer you do it and the more you focus on getting even better form, that's when you're really going to see those results soar. So that being said, a few years ago, my daughter Tiffany, who's also a T-Tapp trainer, and I thought, wouldn't it be awesome if we did a bunch of recorded classes? We did it in a course where we took each one of the moves in the 15-minute workout, and really I taught her to show her exactly how to do each move, so I'm showing you as well, and how to do it for some of the different workouts. So for example, our very first move, which is called primary back stretch, there's one way that you can do it based on the beginning workout, but if you're doing a senior fit workout or one of the others, there's some little bit of tweak. So we showed you all of those, and we did it for every one of the 6 moves in that basic workout plus workout. That's Form Intensive 1. It's not really a class where I'm teaching you and you're doing it at the same time. It was really more where you could really watch me really fine-tune Tiffany's form so that you could learn how to do it. It was really well received. At the time that we did it in a way that you would sign up for it, and each week you would get the next lesson, so that it would be, you know, the first 2 moves was your first lesson, and then we would give you a week to practice that, and then we came on with the second one. But the feedback that we got from people was, we love it, and Renee, can't we just get the whole thing at once so we can go at our own speed? And that's exactly what Tiffany and I are doing now. So if you register for that one, you're going to get an email with every week right there with all the emails that you would get. So you don't have to wait. You can do it at your own speed. And oh, by the way, that one also has every one, we also got it where there's all the transcriptions. So you can see exactly if you have a little bit hard time hearing, or if you're a person that really likes to read, you've got it on that one. Now, the way that T-Tapp was first designed, Teresa designed it to be what she called the total workout. And the total workout actually had 2 parts to it. The first part is our famous 15-minute workout. We call it basic workout plus. The plus are the hoedowns. And then she came up with the second part of total, and that part had lunges, and it had a balance series, arms, it had something called airplanes, torso twist, and lawnmowers. So quite frankly, the second part of total was much more challenging than the front. She called it beginner rehab. Trust me, it's not just a beginner workout. Now, I'm going to tell you that I think probably 85% of everybody that ever does T-Tapp never even gets the second part, doesn't even know what the second part is. But I'm here to tell you it is fabulous. And if you get that and really learn how to do the second part, you're really going to see the results go up really quickly. And then you'll really get fine-tuned on how to do these different parts of the moves. So when you get more advanced in some of the more recent workouts, you're going to have a really good foundation. So Tiffany and I then did the second part of total. That's Form Intensive 2. We learned from Form Intensive 1 what things people really liked and what parts they thought would be helpful. And we included those in Form Intensive 2. What would those be? Well, people wanted to see me teaching Tiff, like I did before, and then do a couple with us. So then we do 4 courses with us, okay, all the way around. So we also have those all transcribed. Really, I thought actually Form Intensive 2 was fabulous. And in that particular thing, if you click to register for that, what you'll see is there's also a place in there where you can get Form Intensive 1 and 2 all together in a package. So if you're really looking to learn all the ins and outs and forms and tweaks with T-Tapp, that's the one for you. Let's move on. If that one's just a little bit too much and you're really one that kind of would prefer, like I'm teaching a class, then check out the next one, which is my Form Intensive Clinic. This one I did a year or so ago, where I went in and did a live online 4-hour clinic. Now, I used to do these live with people. People would come to the different places that I would be, and we did them all live, and everybody loved them. So I thought, well, heck, most people can't come to me. I'm in Atlanta. Let me do a live clinic and then put it online for you all to see. So what do you get with this one? You actually get 11 shorter videos. So you're going to get a video where the first one, I'm teaching live people online the stance. And then I teach the clapaways and primary backstretch, and we go all the way through every one of the moves again in the basic workout. But instead of me teaching TIFF, it's me teaching other people live, so you actually are taking it and can get the same thing. And there's a bonus at the end of that, which is where I teach a 30-minute, 15-minute workout, basic workout plus, so you can practice all that. So that's in that particular package. Another great one, if you're just starting T-Tapp and you really want to get a sense of what it is and how to do it so you get some good form intensive tips quickly. It's great if you've been doing it for a while, but just not sure you're doing it right. Or, you know, you watch Teresa and she was brilliant, but she had a tendency to teach kind of quickly. Even when she thought she was slowing it down, for most of us, it takes a while to really get what she was saying. That would be a great one for you as well. All right, moving forward. I found for all these hundreds and hundreds of classes that I've done, when I look over my statistics, I find that most people watch the shorter workouts. I know we're busy, we don't have a lot of time. So I thought, how about if I put together a video package that you have just 10 short, really affordable package of classes, so that you can just go, I have some 15 minutes, some 30 minutes, walking, some floor. So you just get a nice variety, 10 short, affordable video packages. That's the one for you if you think that would be the one that you use. Going to the next one, the best of the 2018 60-day challenge class package. Now, I put this one together by request because in 2018, we had a 60-day challenge like we do every year, and I had my people come on live, and throughout the 60 days, I taught classes. And for whatever reason, they were just some killer classes because I wanted to make darn sure that everybody got the best results possible. And there were probably about 75 classes that I taught in that place, but my ladies got amazing results that took it, and they were like, we would love it if you'd put a class package together so that we could keep doing those classes that we loved over and over again. And that's what I did. I put together 20 of the very best, the ones that the ladies that came on and got great results, the ones that they wanted, that they loved, put that class package together, and that's the one for you. So you might want to take a look at that one. Even if you don't really know T-Tapp or haven't been doing it a long time, don't worry, you can do this class package. I teach slowly enough that you'll be able to follow and get great results. That's a fabulous one. All right, moving up to my next one was my Fall Fitness Fascia class package. Now, I put this one together because in the very last fitness retreat that Teresa taught, it was all about fascia. And it was the last one she taught, and she brought out some brilliant new things. I was really excited after I came back from that fitness retreat, and for the next month, I taught those classes. There were moves in there that you won't see anywhere else. She never, up till now, has ever put those particular moves out there. It was a great month, and again, people got fabulous results. But there was a lot of teaching in there of the fascia, and this is teaching that, you know, we hadn't seen before, and it was the last fitness retreat that Teresa did. I think you'll find it amazing. So if you're looking for the next level, for something else, for something that will give you even more, understanding that when I'm talking about these being more intense, we're not jumping up and down. We're not doing anything that you can't do. If you're already doing T-Tapp, you can take these moves. They're fine-tuned, and it will really help you get more brain to body connected with yourself so that you can get even more out of every T-Tapp workout that you do. That's the Fascia Fitness Retreat Package. Highly recommended. It's awesome. Moving up to the next one. You know, sometimes a girl just wants to walk. I love walking workouts. I love the step-aways. I've trained in all kinds of different walking methodologies. Love, love, love the walking, and I think you'll really enjoy that one. So I think there's 22 classes together with walking. So there's walking. You're going to get a lot of upper body. It's kind of like T-Tapp cardio. And so if that's something you're looking for, check that one out. The other reason I love it, people get great results with it, but you know, we also need a little bit of cardio, and so you're going to get that too. And it's not quite so much thinking about everything. Yes, you're going to use a lot of muscle activation, but it's a little more let loose and have fun. Take away those pesky inches. That's that one for you. And the last one that we have are my new ball workouts. Oh, you guys, I'm so excited about my new ball workouts. So the new ball workouts are taking the T-Tapp method that I've taught all the way through this and added a 9-inch fitness ball that you can get. You can get it at Walmart, at Target, at Amazon. Let me run off and just show you. It's just a little 9-inch playground ball. It's kind of squishy. And you won't believe how much muscle activation you can get using the ball. We've been having a ball with the ball. So if you haven't gotten this one yet and you're just looking for some really fun, really effective new ball workouts that are just great and will take your T-Tapp method really up to the next level. It's where we trainers are kind of evolving T-Tapp, continuing to have the pure T-Tapp methodology and principles, but moving it a little forward, giving you some more fun, variety, and effective results. Those are the different class packages. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'm always around, whether you see me on Facebook or here on my site, to answer any questions. I hope this helps. Thanks so much, and let's go have a ball.